Welcome back to Mama Kwata's channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you my way of cooking the delicious Lechon Paksiw. I intentionally set aside portions from Paksiw's birthday lechon just to make this video. I know it's been a while that we've not done any cooking because we're busy sewing face mask, scrub cap, and all those stuff for our frontliners and for the pandemic. So, without much ado, let's go! Okay guys, we're done with our Lechon Paksiw! Yoo-hoo! Look at... So, the most important part is the tikim-tikim and tasting time! Woohoo! Okay, my guest!
Hi guys!
Oh, Yani here! Tesa, Doy, palot po, Doy!
O saan ni ma? Isda? Inununan?
Lechon Paksiw! Ah?
Di bang luwa? Di tamang luwa? Tamang luwa, ma?
Okay.
Ayan, tasting!
time.
Oh my God! Hindi maalat. Hindi masyadong maalat. Hindi masyadong matamis. Hindi masyadong maasim. Tamang-tama. Tamang-tama.
Balance na balance.
Bye guys! Lamig siya, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Doy. You want some rice? No? Okay. Thank you, Doy. Oh, pasok pa.
Girlfriend.
Okay guys, lechon paksiw is very easy. I know you have lots of way of cooking your delicious lechon paksiw. Okay, so but this is my way of cooking the delicious lechon paksiw. Okay, that's all for this video guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quata's channel. Bye for now. God bless you all. Mwah! I love you guys. Bye.
Tan 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 tan.